Hello and welcome to another episode of Spirit Seeking with Pratik on Sound Health Solution. Yesterday I was seated with a group of friends and we had talks about life and our purpose here. And in that conversation, I got a realization. I acknowledged some things that I thought I should share with you people. I see everybody rushing all the time. Everybody has something to do and they're rushing towards it. They have certain objectives, and those objectives keep our mind preoccupied. So much preoccupied that we are not able to celebrate present moments. We are not able to be present where it counts. For example, a practitioner like me, even if I'm caught up in certain tasks and certain work, that makes me unable later to concentrate on the present, to be present. And then I asked myself, why all this rush? Why all this objective aiming? Why are we always running around? Why are we preoccupied with goals and objectives? Of course, goals and objectives are good, but so many of our goals and objectives do not align with the dreams that we have in our lives. So many times we are doing certain tasks for money, in order to keep our family alive, in order to keep ourselves alive, in order to be a part of the society, which is also a beautiful thing on its own. Because whenever we take a stand or make an effort to make others happy, that's what gives us true joy inside ourselves, doesn't it? That's at least what I feel. The truest of joy reaches my heart, emerges from my heart every time I am able to put a smile on another's face. I looked at the world very subjectively yesterday and I saw that it's such a beautiful world. And we are such beautiful people. But this entire world has problems because we are not present, because we are preoccupied. We are preoccupied with being successful. We are preoccupied with earning a lot of money. I wish we were preoccupied with being happy. But the definition of happiness has changed too. We think success is happiness, money is happiness, but not all the time. Not every time success brings you happiness. More work doesn't bring you happiness necessarily. More money doesn't bring you happiness necessarily. I read a book by Robert Kiyosaki, which says you'll have problems nevertheless. If you have less money, you'll have problems with less money. You'll have problems of lodging, fooding, travel, etc. But if you have more money, the problems are bigger and greater. You have problems of managing the money now, which is also a headache on its own. So that's for me. Putting a smile on somebody's face, being able to put a smile on somebody's face is what truly makes me happy. Even when I am occupied or preoccupied with a lot of other things on my mind, and if I accidentally, without purpose, make somebody happy, make somebody smile, that gives me immense pleasure in my heart. And I feel like the day went successfully. I look around at the people around me and see such beautiful faces with so many dreams, with such creativity, with such passion, with such hard work. And I can't help but think that we all of us, every individual, is such a beautiful piece of art, is such a beautiful masterpiece. But I guess the most important thing is to have dreams and align yourself with the dreams, if you know what I mean. If you are working in a field that does not interest you, if you are working in a field just for the sake of working, just for the sake of salary, just for the sake of earning your living, I would say stop it. One would rather go without a couple of meals than without a dream. Because see, this life is so short, and whatever is coming from inside you, if it does not get materialized, if it does not get a manifestation, if it does not get a physical formation, what's the point of life? What's the point of living? I think we'll regret it the most when we are about to die. We wanted to do certain things, but we didn't. For example, that happened to me too. In one phase of my life, I was running after earning a lot of money. That's what I aimed for. But life taught me that creating was my passion. Creating was my hobby. Creating is what keeps me alive. Creating is what keeps me joyful. And creating for the sake of others. What do you think is the most important element in your life? What makes you truly happy? Do not forget to share that with us in comments below. If you like this video, do not forget to press the like button. And if you like whatever is happening in Sound Health Solution, do not forget to share these videos with your friends and subscribe to us. We are reaching the 10,000 mark soon, and we have surprises for you too. So until then, goodbye.